Welcome to my channel Art Book Nook. My name is Kay and I review art and craft books. Today I'm going to review a book called Yorkshire Moors, A Love Affair by Ashley Jackson. Ashley Jackson is one of the UK's leading and most successful landscape watercolourists. His works have been exhibited worldwide and adorn the walls of many successful and famous people, from politicians to actors, from czars to princes. One of my subscribers, called Trevor, asked me if I could review a book by Ashley Jackson. This is the only book I had in my collection, and it's actually more of a catalogue of Ashley Jackson's work rather than a how-to book. I picked this book up second-hand, and to be honest, I hadn't really looked through it. So when I started filming this video, I was absolutely transfixed by this image. It's a painting called Winter Solitude, and the simplicity and beauty of it just took my breath away. Because of the unusual and very wide landscape format, the book has actually been quite difficult to film, but I've done my best for you. The right-hand pages in the book contain images of Ashley Jackson's amazing artwork, and on the left-hand page, Ashley has written all about where he was on location and what inspired him to create the painting. Obviously, I'm unable to read all the accompanying text out to you. You'd either lose the will to live or fall asleep, or both, but at the end of this video, I will provide you with lots of extra resources where you can find out more about this amazing artist called Ashley Jackson, and also provide you with some links to where you can buy. There will be second-hand copies of his books because I think they're nearly all out of print. So let's crack on and let's enjoy some lovely artwork accompanied by some beautiful music. I think you'll agree that Ashley Jackson is an exceptionally talented artist, and if you've ever been fortunate enough to visit the Yorkshire Moors in the United Kingdom, you'll recognise that he knows exactly how to capture their very essence. In the description below, I've put links to Ashley Jackson's website. I've also linked to his YouTube channel, where there are several demonstrations by Ashley with a group of students, and I've also linked to his Facebook and Instagram pages. I've linked to a website called bookfinder.com, and this is a sort of a search engine for books. It does a global search and it will list exactly where you can buy second-hand and new books. So if you'd like to treat yourself to a book by Ashley Jackson, this is the website to go to. I visited Bookfinder myself, and I've ended up purchasing another 3 books by Ashley Jackson, one of which I believe is more of a how-to book, and I will review that for you in future. So for now, a big shout out to Trevor, one of my subscribers, for recommending this amazing artist. I hope you found my review helpful. If you did, please give this video a like. It helps YouTube promote my channel to other people who are interested in art books. I try and post a new art book review every single week, so if you'd like to see more reviews from me, please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And if you found this review helpful, please leave me a comment below. I do reply to all comments. And if there's an art book that you'd like to see, let me know and I will do my best to review it for you. So thank you for watching, and until next time, happy painting.